Hello and welcome. So, oh, I've been checking out this one 1541, and I'm pretty confident that it's okay. But you never know, it may not be writing okay, but I don't know. It seems to be reading. That is comforting. So, what do we do? Oh, take this one off the pile, and we'll turn this one around. Oh, yeah. Now, we'll turn it on. And the first thing we'll do is just say catalog. And it does seem to try. So, we're going to take this official Commodore disk. Oh dear. Open 15, 8, 15, quote, I0, quote, close 15, file open error, close 15. That's not good. Reader. And yet I know that this disk did just work. So that means that this drive we are suspicious of. Yep. Now, what does this mean? Does this mean we immediately get out screwdrivers and things? Dog's not ready. No, we don't. Reader. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to new the program. I'm going to put in open 15, 8, 15, quote, I, 0, quote, colon, close 15. And I'm going to say 20, go to 10. So in other words, I will torment and torture this disk drive. Because sometimes, if they've been sitting for a long time, this is what they need. Sometimes not. But keep in mind, I don't know if this disk was good, but I know that this disk was good, so I'll put it in here. See if I have anybody luck, any bad or luck with it. And it seems the initial findings are no. So, of course, that was I was saying. Will I grab a screwdriver and try and mess with the alignment? Oh no, 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 no. First thing, I will try and clean the head. I shall. And the initial head banging and everything else does seem that perhaps this is not going to get any better. So I'm going to take that disk out. And just for fun, I'm going to put Outrun in there. Because it did work in the other drive. But nothing seems to be doing for this. So we will stop the program, or try. There. We have stopped the program. And you know what, maybe? Let's reset the 64. Alright, so quick and dirty. Take out the power cord. Sorry, the serial cable. And we'll try and get it in. Why is this not going in here? good. What's happened here is this one. Well, they both need further testing. Oh yeah, this one. The circuit board. Really not hardly secure here. It is difficult when looking for places to put things. Okay, so the drive is off. Oh yeah, there's only like one screw in the circuit board. Be careful, make sure it seems to be in a pretty good position. Oh, now this is different. Oh, now it stopped. Device not present. Okay, so we are at device 9. But that was interesting. I'm not connected. I'm not connected. Disk ID. Oh, 15, 9, 15, code, 50, code, 15. All right. Seems to be doing. There it is. Oh, ho, ho, ho. So the first thing we'll do is deload device number on unit 9. Pop this disk out. Oh yeah. There it is here for device number 9. I'm surprised that this is not already set up. Okay. Do this. Catalog. All right, I still don't have handy here a disk that I'm sure. Well, you know what? Let's try this one. This is a 1571 disk I tried before. Oh wait, I need to load the performance test first. Hello. Deload performance test. And why can I do deload? Because of Bradley's basic. Oh dear. What the heck has happened here? Oh no. Something has gone squirrely. That was strange. All right. Interesting. Catalog on unit 9. And it comes up. Oh, we got. Oh, this is the 1570. Oh, okay. No, it's funny that just reads in here. Code 15 code size. Code 15. Come on unit 9. load. Change device number. All right. On unit 9. The drive can be changed back to 8. There is a little place that you cut. 1, 9, 8, space. Okay. Put this disk back in. On 9. All right. That's right. We changed it. Catalog D0. Okay. So we're just going to deload E after quote. And we're getting strange things happening. All right. We're going to turn this off. We're going to take this out. Channel code 53280, 0. Channel code 53281, 0. I'm going to change this. Now this should make no difference at all having the gravity basic. Run 1, device number 9, device number 8. And now, okay. Load. Okay. New. We'll get that out of here. Load. First, after comma 8. Now, take this out. Say run. Okay, it does not have a disk in there. Alright, give me a second. I know where there's some disks. It won't take long to find one. I know where they are. Just a moment. Headed to the box room. There should be over here. There they are. A whole bunch of blank discs. There should be, and there are. Okay. I'm back. Look. Oh, like discs. I will not take one from the top or the bottom. I will take one from the middle. These have never been used. Ever. They were just in their original bag. Enter scratch this. Okay. This is strange. I wonder if this disc. No, it says 1541. It does. It says 1541. Well, I'm going to take that disc out. I'm going to put this disc in and say new. I'm going to say load the directory, comma 8. File not found. Why? Alright, loading the directory. Use. Huh. Use. Huh. I don't see the performance test on this. What was that longer thing? Cost shell. Oh, well, what have I learned here? It seems all of these disks need more testing. They do. I'm going to take this disk out here just for fun. Before we say that's enough for now, I'm going to open 15, A, 15, quote, quote, N0, colon, test, comma, T, X, quote, colon, close 15, close 15, not close, and see if this is going to attempt. No, it immediately says there's an error. All right. Well, yeah, I don't know what's up exactly. These drives will take more experimentation, shocking as that might be. So I guess we'll do that more. We'll do more of that when we come again. Now, one thing, of course, I should do, I suppose, I really need to find a good 1541 test demo disk. And perhaps I need to swap out the 64 because, see, sometimes, depending if there's something wrong with the 64, weird things happen with the drive. For example, if I turn this off, this drive is just spinning. It is not supposed to just be spinning. And I think if I even unplug it from a serial cable, I don't know, that's very strange. Okay, yeah, that leads me to believe maybe there's something in the 64 that's a little wonky. Nothing like working with possible multiple failures. Oh, oh, oh. All right, time to turn everything off. This is also the one. Oh yeah, this is the one. But even though I plugged in the power LED, it didn't come on. Very strange. All right, enough. Enough for now. We'll carry on. We'll do more testing. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.